5 over a plus 6 over b is equals to 7. How do we find the value of a and b? Solution. For this particular question, we find only the integer solution. That is, our value of a and b must belong to the set of integers. This notation is called set of integers, and its elements include 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, on and on like that. So let's begin. We have 5 over a plus 6 over b equals to 7. The LCM here is ab over a, that is b. B times 5, we have 5b, plus ab over b, that is a times 6, we have 6a equals to 7. We can cross multiply here. So ab times 7, that is 7ab equals to 5b plus 6a times 1, that is 5b plus 6a. This whole guy could be written as 7ab minus 6a minus 5b equals to 0. Now let us focus our attention on these two guys. A is common, so we can pull it out. We're going to have a into 7b minus 6 minus 5b equals to 0. Is it possible to pull out 7? Yes, it is possible. So let's do that. We're going to have 7a into b minus 6 over 7 minus 5b equals to 0. Because 7a times b, that is 7ab. 7a times 6 over 7, that is negative 6a. Because this 7 will take care of this denominator. So let's proceed further. We will do one trick here. Let us add 30 over 7 to both sides. If we add 30 over 7 to both sides, what do we have? We're going to have 7a into b minus 6 over 7 minus 5b plus 30 over 7 equals to 30 over 7. So we have 7a into b minus 6 over 7 minus 5. We can pull it out. So we're going to have minus 5 into b minus 6 over 7 equals to 30 over 7. That is minus 5 times b, that is negative 5b, minus 5 times negative 6 over 7, that is plus 30 over 7. Let's proceed further. You observe that we have b minus 6 over 7 here. Likewise, b minus 6 over 7 here. We can pull it out. So we're going to have b minus 6 over 7 times 7a minus 5 equals to 30 over 7. We can cross multiply 7 times this. That will be 7 into b minus 6 over 7 times 7a minus 5 equals to 30 times 1, that is 30. 7 times b, that is 7b. 7 times negative 6 over 7, that is negative 6, times 7a minus 5 equals to 30. Good. Let's call this equation star. Now let's focus our attention on this. We can rewrite 30 as 1 times 30. We can also write 30 as 15 times 2. We can write 30 as 3 times 10. We can also write 30 as 5 times 6. So we focus on each of these guys. Let's call this one case 1, this one case 2, this one case 3, and lastly this one case 4. So we take it one by one. For case 1, we are going to replace 30 with this guy. 30 is equals to 1 times 30. From equation star, which is this, we have 7b minus 6 times 7a minus 5 equals to, we will now replace 30 with this guy, 1 times 30. By comparison, that is, this guy with this, that will be 7b minus 6 equals to 1. I'm comparing this guy, this second times with this. We have 7a minus 5 equals to 30. From this guy, it implies that 7b is equals to When this guy comes to the right, that is 1 plus 6, which is 7. B is equals to 1 when you divide both sides by 7. So our value of B is 1. For this second equation, that will be 7a equals to 5 plus 30, that is 35. 35, sorry. Dividing both sides by 7, our A is equals to 5. For case 1, AB is equals to what? A is 5 and B is 1. So we have 5, 1. This is one solution. Now let's consider case 2. So for case 2, we have 30 equals to 15 times 2. We are going to replace 30 with this guy. So we're going to have 7b minus 6 times 7a minus 5 equals to 15 times 2. Comparing this with this, we have 7b minus 6 equals to 15. And comparing this second terms with this second term, that is 7a minus 5 equals to 2. From this, 7b is equals to 6 plus 15, that is 21. B is equals to 3. When you divide both sides by 7. For this second equation, that will be 7a is equals to 5 plus 2, that is 7. Divide both sides by 7, a is equals to 1. So that is for case 2, a comma b is equals to what? A is 1 and b is 3. So this is second solution. For case 3, for this third case, if you try to find it, no integer solution. And for this case 4 also, no integer solution. You can try that and confirm. For only these two cases, case 1 and case 2, we have integer solution. Therefore, the integer solutions are case 1 we arrive at 5, 1, 5, 1, and case 2 we have 1, 3. So these are the possible integer solutions that we have. You can check that if what we've done is right. So let's do that. So check. The original question says 5 over a plus 6 over b is equals to 7. Let's check for the first part, which is 5, 1. 5, 1, that is when a is 5, and b is 1. So let's plug into the left hand side. We're going to have 5 over, what is a? A is 5 plus 6 over, what is b? B is 1 equals to 5 over 5, that is 1, plus 6 over 1, that is 6. 1 plus 6, that is 7, which is what we have on the right hand side. So this guy is true. Let's check for this also. 1, 3, that is a, b. A is 1 and b is 3. Let's plug into this left hand side. That is 5 over, what is a? A is 1 plus 6 over b, that is 6 over 3, which is equals to 5 over 1, that is 5, plus 6 over 3, that is 2, 5 plus 2, that is 7, which is what we have on this right hand side. So these are the only integer solutions for this particular question. That's it. Thanks for watching.